How to delete your Marcus by Goldman Sachs account. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is transfer all of your balance. So what you're going to do is initiate a ACH transfer to move all of your remaining savings or CD funds to a linked external bank. So what you're going to do is you can simply open the application, and then from there you can simply tap on the cash icon you'll be able to see right here and go along with the process of how you'll be able to transfer out all of your balance. After doing that, wait for any remaining accrued interest to post and transfer that out as well. After doing that, you can now call your Marcus customer service at their number to complete the closure, as online self-service closure is generally not available for this particular bank. So what you're going to do is simply contact them through your customer service call, and just like this you can go along with the process of how you'll be able to delete your Marcus by Goldman Sachs account. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.